everybody. This is Gemini Rising. I'm just going to give you a short tutorial on how to log on to voxels. If you have a MetaMask, you can log on through your Ethereum wallet. And if you don't worry, you can do it this way. So take the link that I gave you guys in the chat group and paste it into your browser thing here, and you will end up here. And this is our gallery right here. I can fly up here. You can see it. There's our gallery. Right now the old show is still happening, so anyway, you will end up here, and you can see in the top right hand corner where it says anonymous, because as you can see, there is my avatar and it is anonymous because I didn't link on with my MetaMask browser. So go to the corner up here, it says anonymous, and you can change your name. Now this is where it was screwed up the last time, so I don't know if it's going to work, but you can try. If it doesn't, there are going to be a lot of anonymouses there, and you're just going to have to shout out your name. So I'm just going to write this and hope it works. Register name. This is what happened the last time. This kept spinning. I messaged voxels and they told me they're having a problem. So if you cannot change your name and it still stays as anonymous, when you come in and you see somebody like Clara or Gemini Rising, you can tell them who you are. I know it's going to be difficult, but this is the way we're going to have to do it for now. So if you press the Command G, you will get these things here where you can dance, or you can sprout out some emojis. Like if I do that, then all these emojis start happening here. I'll just zoom out so you can see it better. There's the emojis, and here are some dance moves. So that is if you press G. And to remove that, G and H. Oops. Okay, sorry. Anyway. Okay, so let's go back to there. Escape. Help. If you click on the bottom here where it says help, you will see the keys that you can use to move forward, backward, straight, strafe left. If I press A, I'll go that way. If I press D, I'll go this way. W forward, S backwards, and F is for fly. So now I can fly, hopefully. Let's see. I'm still dancing here. Okay, hold on. Let me get out of dancing. And now I'm flying. So if you press the space bar in the middle of your computer, you can fly up. And you can see here, this is our dance party area here, where we will be having our opening party. And you can also do this a different way. You don't need to fly. You can, I'm going to go back down. And fly is F, just so you know. I know this is a lot of stuff to take in, but that's the only way you're going to learn how to do it, I guess. So here is our gallery. Like I said, this was our last show that we had. It's going to be changing, but you will end up here, and you can walk in by pressing the W, and you will be in there, and you can see all the different pieces which will be different from here because, like I said, this is our old show. We're putting up the new show shortly. So you are here. I'm going to take this off. Now, if I press on these buttons, these black buttons here, if I press on the rooftop button, I will end up on the rooftop. So here I am on the rooftop, and on each floor there are different buttons or different things you can press. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to click this first floor right here, and now I'm back on the first floor. So I want to go to the second floor. You can't get to the second or third floor without pressing these buttons. So here I am on the second floor, and you can see here there are first and third floor buttons and rooftop buttons, and you can come in and walk around. And then the third floor button, the same thing, you press the third floor, and there you are. Okay, I'm going to go to the rooftop again, just to show you. I'm up here. You can see it says Inadel Gallery. My name is still anonymous because for some reason this thing, the change name thing, is not working. It's just spinning around, and I don't know why, and hopefully they will have it fixed by Thursday, but right now this is all I can tell you. So, anonymous is you, and if you can't change your name, please let us know what you are here so we can mark that. And to do that, you will go either press C. Oops, no, not C, sorry. You'll press chat down here. Ugh, sorry. And you will see right here in this little square is the chat. So you can talk to people. Hi, everyone. Nobody's here, but it will appear. Let me just zoom out here. Press chat so you can see. So if I type in hello, this is what you see. Nothing. Okay. You should see, let me see if this is going to work this time. Chat. Hello. All. No. Usually you should see it appearing above. Oh, did it? No. Usually it appears above my head. I don't know why it's not doing that, but don't worry. I'm sure you keep this chat open and you will be able to see. That is if you want to actually use your microphone to talk, which you can also do if you press the rooms button. So since nobody's here, you have to join this chat group. I'm going to leave it, I think, for now. Just write the chat. Forget about let's see if it works now. Usually it appears above the person's head, but it's not. I don't know what's going on, but we will see it in here. So let us know if you cannot change this. If you cannot change anonymous, if you cannot change this name, just let us know that you're here. This right here are this little hamburger bar is your parcel audio, sound effects, ambience, and voice. You can set the graphics to turbo, which I don't know if it makes that much of a difference, but yeah, it makes a bit of a difference. But anyway, you can change your graphics. Now, the other thing that I would like to say is that this is, for me anyway, this does not work on my phone very well. the best place to use this is your computer. So again, W for walking forward, S for walking backwards, A for going one way, D for going the other way, F to be able to fly, and if you press your space bar, you can go up, and if you face down and press your space bar, you don't go down. But you can use your arrow bars to fly around, or you can use the W or S or D or A. Going to fall down. There I am. Again, down here, you can do the dance thing. So I can do different kinds of dances. They all seem to be the same from the last time, or if you don't want to dance, or you can make emojis happen by doing that. I suggest you practice a bit. I don't think you need to know any more than that. Like I said, C is so you can see yourself, and C again is so that you have a first person point of view. And if you want to go to the different floors, you click here. Now down here you will see visit our sister gallery, which is Near Hub, and you can do that by just clicking on it, and it will say open external link, and I will click that, and I am now, even though the voxels one is still open, I am now in the Near Hub gallery, which is a little bit easier to use. They might actually be building this right now. I'm going to try to get on there a different way. So just hold on one second. Yes, I will stop this and make a second video for the Near Hub thing, because it doesn't seem to be appearing right now. If I click that, I'm not getting there. Like I said, they might be building that right now because we don't actually build it. So let me see if I can make another one. If not, don't worry about Near Hub for now. You can try it if you want, but if they're building, I'm not going to be able to make the second video. So I'll say goodbye for now, and I hope that makes sense. You should just go in and test it out, test out your different things. Like I said, down here are the different, I don't even know what that one is. Oh look, you can do filters now. Chat, WOMP means to take a photograph, and shots, I don't even know what, oh okay, that's just for if you are actually so I would just basically use chat and the dance and the different emojis, and if you press help, you will see the keyboards in which keys are used. So you can use enter for chat. You can see a switch camera so that you're going out of first person. See, these are all fly up, page down, fly down. Dance is G, and P is to take a photograph. A WOMP is a photograph. Okay, I hope that makes sense, and see you at the opening. Congratulations, everybody.